Okay, I am going to show you how to register for a Burlington Parks and Recreation Department program. You have to create a household account with us, and there's a different YouTube video to show you how to do that. So if you haven't done that, check out that YouTube video first and then come back to this. Okay, to register for a program once you have an account with us, you are just going to go to our website, which is www.burlingtonrecreation.org. And you're going to click on register. So it's this right here. If you're on a phone or a tablet, you may not see all these options. You may have to scroll to get to the register button. So we're going to click here. And you're going to put in your username and password right here. And again, if you don't have this information, check out a different YouTube video that shows you how to get this information. So I'm just going to log into my account, put in your username, put in your password. All right, and then it brings you to a screen that looks like this. Your information will be here. And you're just going to click on what kind of program you want to register for. So I'll just click on adult. And then that brings you to a screen that looks like this. So you're going to need to search for the program that you want. If you want, you can just do all types, all ages, all grades, and not put in any keywords. And click search. So these are the options we have right now. Again, a lot of them I'm not able to register. So if you want to narrow your search, so I'm going to narrow my search to fitness programs. Let me search that. And now these programs are all of our fitness programs. You can also put in a keyword here, or the best way to do it is if you know the activity number of your program, you can put that in here, and that activity number can be found in our brochures. So once you have found the program that you want, you're just going to click on this button right here, add to selection. So I'm going to register for Zumba. If you have, you can scroll over here. If you want to know some more information about the program, you can click on that. If you want details on how much it's going to cost, this one happens to be free, so there's nothing there. So more information is available over here. But to register, I'm just going to click on this little plus button right here. You can see it pops up here. I'm going to click add to cart. All right, and then these are all the members of my household, but I'm the one who wants to register for it. So I'm going to register Jessie Hampson. Click right there. If I wanted to register multiple people, I could do that, but we'll just register one. Click continue. Oh, and I am already enrolled in this class, so let's actually go back. This will give us more practice. I'll search fitness classes again. Now let's see. Let's go for chair yoga. I'm pretty confident I am not enrolled in this class. Add to cart. All right, and it's just letting me know this program has already started. But because this is a free program, I can still register for it online. Normally, if a program already started, you would have to register for it in person. All right, so it comes up again. This program is free, so I just see zeros over here. Just going to make sure this all chair yoga. Yep, that's what I'm enrolling in, and I'm just going to click proceed to checkout. All right, and then it's just confirming your information here. That all looks right, so I'm going to click continue. And they will send an email confirmation, so make sure this, wherever you want your receipt to go, that's what this email is. And then I'm going to just continue shopping. Great. And then that brings you up to your home screen, and I am now enrolled. And if you want to confirm you're enrolled, you can just check your email and make sure you got a receipt. So I'm just going to go to my email here. You should get a receipt that looks like this with an attachment, and it should look like this. So as long as you get this email, then you are enrolled in the class and you're good to go.